Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dominic, and in this channel, I teach you tips and tricks, tutorials, and ways of troubleshooting your Windows system if you face any problems. Now, in this video, I'll be showing you how to activate your Windows and Microsoft Office. So, when we talk of activation, it's just making sure that you have the correct and right license for your product, whether software, program, or application. Okay, now for Microsoft Windows and Microsoft Office, sometimes the price for activation can be really high. It can most of the times go above $100. All right, so now for most applications, be it software or like Microsoft Windows Office and any other software that requires activation, what we usually use is what we call the product key. Most of the times you have to purchase it. It's sometimes expensive depending on the program or application. Using the activated versions of products is actually important. Sometimes, let's use Microsoft Windows for an example. Some options in Windows settings may be deactivated if you don't activate your Windows. All right, and for Microsoft Office, you wouldn't be able to use some features. All right, so using the activated versions of programs actually unlocks all the features that are in that product. Also, another importance is that it helps to reduce piracy. All right. Many people invest their time, especially developers, in making a product. Now, if you use any way besides buying the correct product key, it is actually affecting those developers who did that. And lastly, there may be security issues with pirated programs or what you usually call patch or cracked versions of applications. So it can be affected by malware or viruses. And if care is not taken, your system can be corrupted. But in any case, I'm going to show you how to activate your Office and Windows. So let's get started. To activate your Windows and Office, we need a special program called KMS Pico. Now, when you search for KMS Pico on Google, you'll get various links that suggest that they are the official KMS Pico. Most of them are just malware, so be careful when downloading from such sites. Okay, I'm going to link the KMS Pico we are going to be using. It's actually helpful with no viruses attached. All right, so the first thing you have to do is that you have to disable your Windows security. Now, this is important because Windows security will flag it as a virus if you are trying to install. Now, to deactivate is just for a brief moment, just this installation, and then you can re-enable it again. So, Windows security, we go to settings. All right. Now here, privacy and security. If you are not on Windows 11 and maybe older versions of Windows 10, it would be under Windows Update and Security. All right. Another way is by just searching for Windows Security. All right. And clicking on it. Now here, under Virus and Threat Protection, you click on it. You scroll down here, Virus and Threat Protection Settings. Here, you click on Manage Settings for that. And under Real-Time Protection, mine is already off. Now, if it were on, it will be like this. So, you have to turn it on. Sorry, you have to turn it off. And you'll be asked for a security question. You have to click on Yes to deactivate it. Now, that is all. When we are done with the installation and run the program, we can re-enable it. Okay, so opening the file, we have it here, KMS Pico. Now you extract it. here, if we hadn't disabled the Windows security, it would have flagged this as a virus and it would have deleted it. So it's good to turn off the real-time protection. Here, open it under KMS install. The first one, you can see KMS Pico setup. You just double click on it and then you agree. Yes. You can see from here, Windows threads found. All right. When you click on it, you can see that it shows that it is active. You click on the arrow next to the "Hi." Here, you click on allow and then start actions. Here, you click on next. So, next, I agree, and then next, next, next. So, you wait for the installation process to complete. It's going to take some time depending on your system. All right, so we've installed it. Now, coming here, we can see KMS Pico. Okay, KMS Pico. You click on it, you run it.
Program complete.
Okay. Now, for mine, I've already activated my Windows and I don't have Office here. So, if you haven't activated yours, you should see the Windows logo and the Office logo. All right, good. So, it will be
Program
like this.
complete.
Then you click on the red button. Okay, it will install and activate the Windows and the Office. So after the activation, you can come back to your Windows settings. Under System, you come to Activation. Okay, this activation, or you can just search for Activation Settings. Here you can see that my Windows is active. Okay, it's already active. That's why it didn't allow me to activate. Okay, so that's how to activate your Microsoft Windows and Office softwares. If you face any challenges, let me know down in the comment section. If you like this video, I'd appreciate a like and then subscribe to this channel for more content such as this. All right, see you next time.